Kanga Pail Liner, Platinum by Kanga is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Kanga Pail Liners are a cylindrical shape, tapered slightly towards the bottom to allow more volume and fit your pail perfectly. This pail liner keeps the waterproof laminate on the inside where the dirty diapers are. The Kanga Pail Liners will fit almost any pail size. To use, place pail liner in a tall kitchen trash can or diaper pail with a closable lid. Cinch the drawstring down with the toggle for a snug and exact fit. The fabric is cuffed at the top of the liner, so when you use it in a pail you will see the fun print or color folded over the top. To clean, machine wash with your diapers or other soiled items. Tumble dry or hang dry. Kanga uses a water-resistant polyester TPU, which is a solvent-free polyester fabric that has been laminated with a thermoplastic polyurethane using a heat bonding process, not chemicals. This process is low in toxicity and is better for the natural environment than traditional pool. All Kanga products are designed and invented by Julie Ekstrom, mom and CEO of Kanga, and distributed worldwide out of Golden, CO. Drawstring closure. Cylindrical shape. 26 inches tall, 51 inches around the top, 33 inches around the bottom.